Discovering new passions, the joy of hobbies. Why bother with hobbies? Imagine feeling tired after a long day, sitting on your couch thinking, what can I do now? Now picture a world where you have wonderful hobbies waiting for you. Hobbies are not just fun. They are escapes from daily stress. They make our lives richer and more colorful. Think about a friend who loves to paint. When you see them happy with a brush in hand, you feel their joy. This is what hobbies do. They create happiness. But why are hobbies important? They allow you to relax, meet new people, and express yourself. They can even teach new skills. Are you feeling curious about what hobbies you could start? Let's explore this exciting journey of discovering new hobbies together. Finding the right hobby for you. Finding a hobby is like a treasure hunt. What do you love? Maybe it is art, music, or sports. Ask yourself questions. What activities make you smile? What did you enjoy as a child? Sometimes, thinking back to your childhood can help you find a hobby again. There are many hobbies to try. You can paint, learn an instrument, garden, or bake. Each hobby has its charm. For example, gardening can bring you peace. You touch the soil and watch things grow. It is rewarding. Did you know that many people find happiness just by taking care of plants? Finding a hobby that suits you is important. It does not need to be perfect. It needs to be fun. You can even try different hobbies until you find the one that you love. Exploring your options. Have you thought about joining a club? Clubs can help you meet new people who share your interests. Whether it is a book club, a hiking group, or a cooking class, these clubs offer motivation and support. When you see others enjoy the same hobby, it can inspire you. You might find it surprising, but many hobbies do not need a lot of money. You can start with what you have at home. For instance, writing in a journal only requires a pen and paper. This is a great way to express your feelings and thoughts. Learning online is another excellent option. There are many free tutorials on YouTube or educational websites. You can learn anything from photography to coding. These resources are like doors to new worlds. The surprising benefits of hobbies. Most people think hobbies are just for fun, and that's true. But hobbies can also improve your brain. Studies show that doing activities like puzzles, reading, or playing music can help keep your mind sharp. So, your hobby could help you be smarter. Moreover, engaging in a hobby can help reduce stress. When you focus on what makes you happy, you forget about your worries. This can make you feel lighter, healthier, and more relaxed. But here's a little secret. Many people think they need to be good at a hobby to enjoy it. That's not true. You can fail, make mistakes, and still have fun. The process is what really matters. Turning hobbies into friendships. When you start a hobby, you might find new friends. Sharing a passion can create bonds. If you join classes or events, you meet others who share your interests. This can lead to beautiful friendships. Have you ever tried to cook with friends? It can be a fun experience. You share recipes, talk, and create delicious food together. This strengthens friendships and creates happy memories. Sometimes it's good to share your progress. If you are learning to paint or play an instrument, showing your work to friends can bring positive feedback. This encouragement can boost your confidence. Making time for hobbies in your life. You might be wondering, how can I find time for a hobby? Life can be busy, but making time for what you love is essential. Start small. Maybe set aside just 30 minutes each week. Think about your daily routine. Can you wake up a bit earlier or use your lunch break? Planning can help you fit hobbies into your life. It does not have to be hours. Just a little time can bring joy. Remember, hobbies are not just another task. They should make you feel happy and fulfilled. Choose a time you can enjoy, and do not rush. Enjoying the journey. Starting a new hobby is a journey. It can have ups and downs, and that's okay. The magic is in the experiences you collect along the way. Each step teaches you something new. Be patient with yourself. You will not be perfect right away. Enjoy the journey, no matter how slow. If you make a mistake, laugh and learn from it. This is part of the fun. The important thing is to keep trying new things. You might discover a hidden talent that surprises you, or you might find a friend who shares your passion. The possibilities are endless. What will you choose? You are now ready to start your hobby adventure. What is the first step? Do you want to paint, cook, or learn to play an instrument? The choice is yours. Remember, the goal is to enjoy yourself. Find what you love, take your time, and connect with others. A hobby is a chance to express who you are. What hobby do you want to begin? Have you ever tried a hobby that changed your life? Share your ideas.